I've got to make some iced tea for dinner. So I'm gonna get some lemon verbena to make iced tea. And some pineapple sage. It smells so good.
Cheers, everybody. Happy Wine Wednesday.
Cheers, everybody. Welcome.
I'm Lily.
And I'm Lisa.
And we're here to talk a little bit about one of our favorite things to harvest from the garden, which is herbs. Mom, what do you have?
Oh, I have some pineapple sage and lemon verbena.
So my mom makes an amazing iced tea that's totally homemade. She literally just takes a pot of boiling water like we have behind us here, throws in the herbs, right?
Steep the herbs in the boiling water for about 15 minutes.
She throws in some sugar, or in this case, a little healthier xylitol, a little bit of lemon, and it's the best.
Here are the herbs in the boiling water that have been steeped. You let that cool, strain it, and pour it in the pitcher, add some ice, and there you go.